Hi guys. Last time we discussed task achievement of the writing task 2 for the IELTS, and we looked at the part of the band descriptor where it says you fully have to address all parts of the task. Now we saw that for these essay types it's relatively similar, and the things that are definitely similar for each essay type is that you have to give reasons, you have to give examples, you have to write at least 250 words, and you have to develop your ideas. Now, this is the focus of this. We have to learn how to develop our ideas, and I would like to mention that if you know how to do this well, you will probably get half of the points you can get for task achievement. If you are not familiar with this, you might lose half of the points for task achievement. So this is definitely a very relevant element that you need to work on in order to get a 7 and beyond. Now, what does it mean to develop your ideas? Well, what it comes down to basically is that you have to formulate an argument. And what is an argument? In an argument you give some reasons to defend an opinion, or you come up with some reasons to believe that a statement is correct or not. And in our world of the IELTS, an argument is the paragraph. And now, of course, it becomes interesting. How do you structure your paragraph? Well, there is not really one way to do it. The IELTS doesn't give you let's say, some kind of a format that you have to use. There are many ways to construct a paragraph, but it's always a good idea to go to the IELTS exam knowing more or less how to write one, right? Now, to give you a little idea about how this might look like, take a look at the following. This is, let's say, a simple structure of a paragraph in which I develop my ideas. And you normally would begin with a topic sentence in which you state somebody's point of view, or perhaps your own point of view. And then you need to come up with a supporting idea to defend that point. And that has to be, of course, one logical step after the topic sentence. Now, giving just one idea would not be enough in the IELTS to convince somebody of your point or of somebody else's point of view. You need at least 2 supporting ideas, which of course also is a logical step after number 1. And then you have to give an example, which also has to be a logical step after supporting idea number 2. Now, you can choose to come up with your example after supporting idea number 2 or number 1, sorry, or you come up with a supporting with an example after supporting idea number 2. It's okay. That's not a big problem. And then when you have all these things written down, you just come up with a sentence to close the paragraph, which can sometimes be easily done by just circling back to the topic sentence. Now, in another video that will be online probably next week, I will dive a little bit more into how to formulate the paragraph. Okay? Well, I hope this video was useful. Please take care and stay safe, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Ciao.